Hi everybody, this is Bettina Makeley, aka Fairywebmother. Welcome back to the lab. It's a whole new lab, whole new life, a lot of crazy stuff. My original intention was to do a video, talk a little bit about that, introduce some new things I'm working on. But today I just kind of fell across something and it would be fun to share it with you because it kind of surprised me, and it's one of those moments, but it really worked. I was looking at these images are copyright free public domain images from the internet, and as you can see, there are really some pretty strawberries and flowers and whatnot. If you can't see, there's a lot of greens and orangey reds in here, like strawberries. Anyway, I printed a couple out, and I knew that my printer has been running out of ink, and the color it ran out of was yellow. So, but I know that it really didn't use, I really didn't use a lot of the cyan and the, whatever, the red and blue of the three colors. And so I was wondering if there was anything that I could do to use up those before I changed my ink cartridge. I have another ink cartridge, but I thought, there's still quite a bit of the pink and the blue in there. So, you should be able to do something with that. So I printed out this copy, just on this is regular copy paper. It's not photo paper or anything. And as you can see, the yellow is missing. The background is blue. The strawberries are red, but there's no pretty orangey red in there. And but I thought, for something, this might be useful, and it would be better than not using up the ink before I change the cartridge. So I was looking at it and I thought, I wonder if there's any way I can add some yellow back into that. And I thought, can I do maybe some thin paint or something? And then I thought, well, wait, that's ink. What do I have for ink? And so I looked around and I have a yellow highlighter, just a plain yellow highlighter. And so just as an experiment, I started just coloring over the image, and I realized that you can actually bring all of that beautiful, delicious color back. I'm doing this by looking through the phone, so it's working. But as you can see, you can actually, by painting over the blue, you get your green back, and even a cooler green, actually, this. But it's definitely something worth experimenting with if you print stuff out on your computer, because seriously, I don't like waste at all. And so the thought of changing my cartridges while there was still a bunch of blue and red ink in them was disturbing. So anyway, so it's possible to just get out a yellow highlighter and add that color back in. I find the yellow, it gets used a lot if you like have a background that is a vintage, brown, or a lot of light yellow in your background. You will use up yellow in your cartridges before anything else. And so anyway, that's it. I just wanted to report a little bit on how it was possible to do that, and I thought it was pretty cool. They actually look really, really pretty, really delicious. You can try other things if you want, but anyway, tip for the day. So, signing off. This is Bettina Makeley, aka Fairywebmother. Have a great day. And wait, don't forget to choose love. See ya.